morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. This is Mike, the FX boss, broadcasting you live on YouTube and on the other streaming platforms. Happy Tuesday! It's Tuesday, right? Monday, Tuesday, March. Wow, time flies so fast this year, right? We are already in March. How is sound? Sound check. Looks like fine. And everybody, welcome. This is the Professional Forex Trading Course 101. It's for beginner traders, right? And as always, never forget you're going to graduate from this course when you have your charts set up and ready for trading. Number 2, you have a strategy in place. You understand why you win, why you lose. And number 3, you have a complete understanding on how this market works, so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. If you are going to do good on number 1, number 2, number 3, this is going to be visible where? What's the answer? Anybody knows? If I'm a beginner trader, right, and manual, give it a second. If I'm a beginner trader, everybody, and I'm learning through the manual, right? And if I'm doing good, the 1, 2, 3, where is this going to be visible? The skill is going to appear on my FX book, right? This is just an example, don't compare yourself, alright? Just an example. But, slowly, right? Step by step, slowly, the skill is going to get visible in here. Make sense? How is this possible? Well, trading is a learnable skill. You can learn this. Alright, everybody? And in order for us to implement what we are learning in theory, we have the so-called Forex Trading Week exactly. Alright? Yes, Forex Trading Week. What's the purpose? To put in practice what we have learned in theory. So, raise disclaimer, this stream is not trading or investment advice. Never forget, 90% of world population lose trading. I mean, it could be different maybe from one country to another, but if you put all the countries together, it gets to 90%. Alright? Questions and homeworks, you have my Gmail. If you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it. And for extra webinars or Forex course 202, everybody, the money phase, right? To learn how institutional traders are groomed, to learn what tools institutional traders are using, called the money phase. Then we go on Skype, and if you live in Dubai, then we go on Zoom. Alright, everybody, so Forex Course 101 is powered by Dukascope, of course, and our trading partners. And give me a second, everybody. So we are here, right? Yesterday we talked about Mark's position, and we were learning about the higher time frame, the lower time frame. Clinton was saying, oh, it's a low probability trade. Then Mark was shorting, Marky Mark was shorting, and there is no right or wrong anyway. But Clinton said, oh, it's a low probability trade, whatever, and then Clinton itself said, oh, it's high probability, right? I mean, there is no right or wrong. So far, Mark, it's here. Oh, Sasha from yesterday. Long on euro dollar, euro NZD. So let's check euro NZD today. This was Sasha from yesterday. Give me a second. Add comment. Sasha long. daily. Alright everybody, what do you want to do today? Tell me, type in the currency pair, you know the practice. Type in the, whoops, not in here, maybe in here, maybe in here, maybe in here. You know the process everybody, type in the chat the currency pair you want to trade, the Fibonacci, this is for the Fibonacci lesson, so out your JPY, and one more time everybody. Practice, 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 exactly. So the process, right? The process. Type in the chat, number one, what currency pair, number two, what time frame, number three, long or short, number four, where the stop loss, and number five, where the take profit, and number four, what pattern are you trading, number five, where is the stop loss, and number six, where is the take profit. If you want to help me not to waste time, alright everybody, type in the chat, first comes first is served. What currency pair do you want to trade, what time frame do you want to buy or sell, what pattern do you want to trade, and where is the stop loss and where is the take profit. From yesterday, Sasha is in profit, long Euro New Zealand daily chart, Mark shorting the 2-hour chart, Mark shorting the 2-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 2-hour chart, give it a second, give it a second, give it a second. So this is Mark shorting the 2-hour chart, everybody, there is no right or wrong, type in the chat, long, short, sideways, stay out, but don't stay out. Alright everybody, try to participate in class. Alright? Boss, was this a news announcement? The candle? Right, not sure. NZD/USD. Give me a second. News event. Give it a second. Yes, Fibonacci are barking, you know. Something is happening with Bitcoin. Are you sure? Maybe not, right? So Monday, Tuesday, we had yen and it was the dollar. So yeah, but it's not that relevant, you know. Everybody pay attention. AUD, pay attention tomorrow. CAD, pay attention. Pay attention Euro, pay attention Friday. Dollar and CAD again. The dogs have the news, yes. When the dogs are barking, Fibo and Ichi. Fibo stands for Fibonacci, Ichi stands for Ichimoku. Something's happening with Bitcoin. Give me a second. 2-hour chart. Not really. Monthly chart. Alright, they are barking. They are barking. And now they're barking. What are they barking? Don't buy, don't buy, don't buy. Whatever. One more time, everybody. Remember, if you are doing good on the 1 to 3, if you have your chart set up and ready for trading, if you have your strategy in place, you understand how you win, how you lose, and if you have a complete understanding with time on how this market works, this is going to be This is going to reflect in your My FX book, alright? This is the skill. You are not a trader yet. Don't fool yourself. You are not a trader yet. This means that you're a good analyst. Alright? Won 238 out 296. This is you being a good analyst. Alright, everybody? Don't compare yourself. Don't judge yourself. It's going to take some time. But if you keep working on yourself and keep doing good, then this is going to reflect on My FX book. Hedge fund trader Melissa, what pair do you want to trade today? There is no right or wrong, long, short, sideways, buy, sell. Yeah, right now. Everybody, how are you going to make pips and money? Dollar drops. Nah. Friday, it's the name of the game, talking about the dollar. Friday, it's the game. Nah, this side, you know, it's... We've learned this, everybody, right? Not every news event, it's relevant. You know, not every news event, it's relevant. Dollar drops, well... Dollar still strong, if you ask me. GBP CHF, what time frame? GBP CHF, what time frame? What pattern? Where is the stop loss? Do you want to buy? Do you want to sell? There is no right or wrong. Sure, 15-minute chart, 1 hour chart, 2 hour chart, 4 hour chart, whatever. Have decided to buy, alright? What time frame? The daily, the 4 hour, the weekly. Everybody, which one? There is no right or wrong. You can buy, yes, you can buy any time frame, you can sell any time frame. Just put please just put the whole information, alright? What currency pair, what time frame, long or short, what pattern, the big one, what pattern? What pattern are you trading? Melissa says 4 hour chart, very good. What pattern are you trading, everybody? And then where is the take profit? Where is the... Everybody, let me motivate you a little bit. What happens when you come to the Forex course 202? You know, always I'm telling you, I am partnering up with trading.com. This is for advanced traders, alright? Not suitable for beginners, but some of you are beginners, so I'm partnering up with Darwin X02, alright? So, count history, see everybody what happens in the Forex course 202, alright? Can you see it, everybody? This is one student. Hello? This is from Darwin X. If everything goes well, he's going to get funded. Alright, and this is from trading.com. Count history, and down to here, this student made $1,400. Alright, this is more advanced. Okay, so get motivated and participate in the conversation, study the market, do the job, do the homeworks. Hedge fund trader Melissa is saying, I'm assuming the 4 hour I should have kept my mouth shut as I always just working on and I didn't have a plan yet. Not a problem. Not a problem. Let's make a plan right now. So everybody, GBP CHF, is anything wrong if we buy? Is anything wrong if you buy the market? Type in the chat, yes, all it's wrong, or type in, no, no, it's all good. Seems good to me. Buying CHF, GBP CHF looks good to me. You know, trend line is a tool that confirms the trend. Alright, so this is the GBP CHF, right? The 3 trend lines. Alright, now we determined 4 hour chart, we determined to buy. Now what pattern? You have a few options, right? We didn't learn the Fibonacci's yet, but you can buy the market wave, also called market structure. So extension, retracement, extension, retracement, extension so far. Or inside the market wave you can buy or sell, why not, the short-term trends, right? So give me a second. Low to high, high to low, 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 low to high so far. Alright everybody, there is no right or there is absolutely no right or wrong. Okay Melissa, pick one. Do you want to enter long on the red one, or do you want to enter long on the yellow one? Boss, this is the same. This is absolutely not the same. Let me say hi, I have a heart. What probability is in the short-term trend within the wave? You tell me. You tell me, everybody. Red, all right. So if I'm entering the red, everybody, if I buy right now, if this is my entry, should my stop loss go the first rectangle? Should my stop loss go on the second rectangle? Or should my stop loss go on the third? It's not really a rectangle, but anyway, you know, we're going to put stop loss number 1. Stop loss number 1. Which one is the correct stop loss, everybody? Stop loss number 1 when I trade. If I choose to trade the red one, which one is the correct stop loss? Everybody, stop loss number 1, stop loss number 2, or stop loss number 3? Hedge fund trader Melissa says second. No, the correct stop loss is where the market is going to break the pattern. So the correct stop loss, everybody, is stop loss number 1. Once the market breaks the stop loss number 1, you are not in an uptrend anymore, right? You are starting the downtrend. Number 3, no. Number 3 is the stop loss on the yellow market wave. But to trade the red one, stop loss number 1. Alright? How much risk reward ratio do you want, Melissa? So we are going to, what's the number? 111500. GBP CHF buy, stop loss 1.11500. 00 buy. Alright, we are in. How much of the take profit do you want? Do you want to go one per one? Do you want to go 1 per 2? We've entered, very good. Stop loss is in the right place. What about take profit? Do you want 1 for 1? 1 per 2? Just graphically, right? Clone and clone. Give it a second. 1 per 2, alright, so this is the level. Another level is going to be roughly $1.142, right, or 3. So exit and GBP CHF, add a comment. Melissa long 4-hour STT, short on trend, alright, and add a take profit. It's going to be 1.14300. Submit order. Wow, congratulations, we have 3. We have from yesterday, we have Sasha buying Euro New Zealand. We have Marky Mark shorting NZD USD, and now we have Melissa going long. Marky Mark short in the 2-hour chart, Melissa long on the 4-hour chart, Sasha going long on the daily. Very good. Alright, excellent. Next, what will be the next one? There is no right or wrong, everybody, don't worry. Boss, what about you? Well, I don't have it here. Right, everybody? I'm going to prepare for tomorrow my positions, alright? Yeah, you can trade with me, but you need to have an account or trading.com or DarwinX0. Alright? But I agree with you, everybody, no? GBP CHF, I would go long too, but clone chart just with a little caution from the weekly. Little caution from the weekly chart, everybody. No, because the market from the weekly, the market crowned left tip, center tip, and now it's higher high. So this is the first extension, like the market must retrace at some point. So long direction, long-term direction, it's long. Alright, so if you buy the 4-hour chart like Melissa, I know, just be aware that. Boss, can we hedge? No, you cannot hedge. Who told? Who told about hedging? Who told about hedging? Hedging, it's an advanced tech. Yeah, it's true. We are going to have a workshop. But hedging, it's not for beginner traders. You can burn your account 5 times faster, not just once. Alright? Who told you? I didn't tell you. After the Fibonacci mastery, we are going to have the how to have, but it's for advanced. Make sense? It's an advanced workshop, and it takes some time to understand. We're talking about 1 month or 2 months. No, if you are no. Boss, can I join? I have the money. No, you can't. Believe me, you're going to waste your money and your time. How to hedge like a pro, it's for advanced traders. Alright? Somebody who is in the markets 3 years plus. Alright? Been through a lot of strategies already, you know, and it's kind of not losing accounts anymore. No, you don't need to be a millionaire, of course not. Alright. Okay, everybody, next. This was GBP CHF. The Lambda trade, clone chart. I believe it's not ready yet. CHF, JPY, Lambda trade. It's not ready yet, if you ask me. But it's coming. It's coming, right? It's coming, everybody. Right, this is your Lambda trade. If you missed on Bitcoin, everybody, if you didn't buy Bitcoin at 17,000, you can make tons of money with CHF JPY. In my humble opinion, remember this is not trading or investment advice, but CHF JPY, when it's going to start crashing down, is going to be a money maker. Don't do stupid things, you know, don't risk too much. I'm going to put 20% risk on CHF JPY. No, right? Have a strategy in place, have a stop loss in place. It's a probability game. For a lack of a better word, it's not a game, it's a profession. You know? Because we don't know, it could get messy, right? You know, it could. We all believe in downtrend, but the reality, it's, you know, the market sometimes does this, you know, it gets messy in between, you know. Don't risk too much. Do you like the drawing? Don't risk too much, everybody. It's according to your strategy. Yeah, I don't know how, I don't know when, but it's going to, sooner or later it must. Yeah, I don't know. Maybe August, June, July, December, right? We don't know. But this is the Lambda rate. Boss, I don't like CHF JPY. You don't need to trade, you know. Let's go. Alright, everybody, Friday, non-farm payroll. Let's talk about Euro dollar. Euro dollar. Everybody, how are you going to make money on Euro dollar 2 hour chart? Any ideas? Should you buy? Should you sell? YouTubers, too, type in the chat, what do you think? How would you approach Euro dollar 2 hour chart? There is no right or wrong. You can go short term, you can go long or short, but long term you can go only one way. Exactly. Buy the news, sell the fear. Forex market doesn't work. One of the beauty of the Forex market, everybody, there is no, so talking about the market specifically, right, there is no fear and greed. Make sense? Something that has value, you know, something like gold, or maybe stocks, or maybe, you know, a stock gives you dividend, you know, you are an owner of a stock, you own physical gold, you own Bitcoin, you know, there is fear and greed. But if you ask me, the Forex market, it's immune. I mean, you can still have problems with fear and greed, but it's not a thing about the asset, it's a thing about you as a trader. Does this make sense? Hedge fund trader Melissa, hedge fund trader Tari, hedge fund trader Singh, hedge fund trader Clinton, hedge fund trader Broto, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Ala, hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Julius. I'm sorry, I forgot somebody. You know, 4K. How are you going to make pips and money, everybody, on euro dollar 2-hour chart? There is no right or wrong. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Consolidation, maybe, give me a second, it's not enough. From before, give me a sec, from before, yeah, maybe, you know, okay, alright. Just maybe, we're in consolidation, so out this, thank you very much, so out this one, out this one, out this one. You need to have in the strategy how you're going to behave at news events, make sense? Now this is euro dollar 2-hour chart. Let's make a poll, everybody. Who believes that it has a greater chance, probability wise, to buy, and who believes that we have a better chance, probability wise, to sell? Type in the chat. YouTubers too. Student traders on YouTube, please type in the chat. It depends how you understand the market, sure. Yes, from yesterday, the higher time frame is the driving force. So whatever you say, it's better to buy euro dollar, or if you say, oh, it's better to sell euro dollar, we are going to check the higher time frames, right? The boss is here. Hello boss, Douglas, you're the boss. Hedge fund trader Douglas, buy or sell euro dollar. Douglas, I just showed them your account. Everybody remember the account I showed you 30 minutes before? The trader who made $1,300, it's here. You can ask him questions if you want. Any questions you like? Sure. YouTubers choose, student on YouTube, you can ask Douglas any questions. About the profession, you know, like, oh, is it easy? Is it difficult? How many years did you struggle, you know? Can I really make it? How long does it take? You know? Tell me the secret. I've not been profitable for 5 years. What's the secret? Douglas, I have another streaming platform. You're not going to see this on YouTube, everybody, but it's an interesting question. I've been losing for 5 years, or I've been not profitable for 5 years. What's the secret? By the way, Douglas says sell, short the market, short euro dollar, short euro dollar, short euro dollar. Alright, if you short euro dollar, what time frame? What time frame? Give me a second, everybody. The process, right? Where are we? We are here. Not so 2-hour chart, daily. Not working. So, what currency pair? We're on euro dollar. What time frame? We are on what? 2-hour chart. Short. What pattern? Where the stop loss? Where the take profit? Is anybody here who believes that going long would be the better option? Douglas says, first strategy. The student on the other platform just answered, I had different strategies. So what's the secret? What's the secret, right? There is no right or wrong. First strategy, second check if you... Oh, second check if your strategy has an edge. Alright, very good. Alright, who has the courage on YouTube to say shorting euro dollar, that's the pattern, that's the stop loss, that's the take profit? Douglas saying many strategies will take your focus. Thank you very much. Absolutely true. Too many strategies will take away your focus. Is anybody actively trading online? Yeah, it's a learnable skill, exactly. You can learn this. But, as always, it takes some time, right? Yeah, everybody wants to be a millionaire yesterday, right? If you are a complete beginner, everybody, just to answer a question quickly. If you are a complete beginner, if you have no idea about anything, it's going to take you 1 year, approximately 1 year, just to learn the Forex course 101. It's going to take you 1 year just to learn how this market works. It's the learning phase. Alright? And then Forex course 2, it could take you from 1 year on average to 2 years on average. Alright? On average. What does this mean? You can finish before, you can learn the skill, how to be consistently profitable and make money faster, or it could take you more. Alright? On average. On average, 3 to 5 years. 101, 202. On average, the fastest ones, yeah, with the premise that he or she doesn't have a clue about anything. To reach 3 years, the fast ones, 5 years, the People who are like me, you know, the slow ones. The slow ones, 5 years. And the richest, this is not mandatory, you know, it's all about the trader, you know, why some traders are driving Lambos and others are buying pizza with the money. Forex course 303, it's not mandatory. Most of us, I would say 90%, we don't need Forex course 303. Forex course 202, yeah, it's mandatory. Alright? Alright. Back to charts. Euro dollar. Alright, so how to determine? You go from the 2-hour chart, right click, and we are going to clone 2-hour chart. What is the confirmation time frame? Is the daily. What do you see on the daily, everybody? What do you see? Boss, I don't know. That's the skill. You need to tell me. Make sense? What do you see? Boss, I don't get the question. Do you see bears winning? Or do you see bulls winning? What do you see? Boss, I don't know. Use the tools you've learned. Trend lines. Market was in an uptrend. Trend line. Market was in a downtrend. Trend line. Market was in an uptrend. Trend line. Market was in a downtrend. Trend lines. Use the tools. Market wave. Extension. Retracement. Extension. Retracement. Extension. Extension. You know, the market crowned. Lower low. Retracement. So we are here. We have a crown pattern. Crowns are reversal patterns. All right. Bulls or bears? So who is going to win? Long term, short term, exactly. What is long term? Are everybody? Let's not complicate too much. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? That's the key. That's the question. Make sense? That's the question. Type in the chat, YouTubers too. Type in the chat, everybody. Are we in a downtrend or are we in an uptrend? There is no right or wrong. YouTuber students on YouTube, type in the chat. Are we in a uptrend or are we in a downtrend? Everybody, I have 3 minutes, then I need to go. You need to understand relevant highs and lows, make sense? not every high and low is relevant. You could say, and we're going to finish today, everybody, you could say that we are in an uptrend, agreed? You are going to zoom in and you are going to say, well, I believe we are in an uptrend. Just an example. Make sense? The green one, exactly. The green one, we're in an uptrend. Alright? Just an example. You must figure out how much is this uptrend, didn't make a hard high yet, how much is this uptrend relevant to the yellow crown and relevant to the violet crown. Make sense? You must understand because if you buy in here, example, alright, and you put your stop loss or in here because it's not confirmed yet, you know, or you put your stop loss in here, if the market stops you out, this was an unnecessary loser. Does this make sense? Why? Because the bigger pattern dictates the price to the smaller pattern. Market wave theory, extension, retracement, extension. Market wave is the biggest pattern. Inside the market wave you have the shortened trend, which is the smaller pattern. Make sense? If you believe that this blue uptrend, you know, is going to go up forever, then I'm sorry to tell you, you didn't learn the skill. Make sense? If you would buy the uptrend up in here, knowing that the bigger pattern it's up in here, alright? The bigger pattern drives the movement of the smaller pattern. In other words, who is stronger? Alright everybody, let's finish for today. See you back tomorrow for another Forex trading week. You're doing great everybody, thank you very much. We have Mark shorting NZD/USD, we have Melissa going long on GBP Jeff, and we have Sasha going long on Euro New Zealand. We're going to back tomorrow. Alright, until tomorrow, stay strong and trade like a boss, trade like Douglas.